I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. I'm checking in with Annette Lo, who's gonna cook a Chinese weeknight staple that's both quick and easy.
We're the Lo family. My name is Andrea. I'm Annette. Our parents are from Hong Kong. In the Chinese culture, food is important. All the dishes have some sort of meaning. I'm the older one. I became more of the cook. You cook, I eat. It's a great combination. And I help clean, so. And that's the part I don't enjoy.
You're the cook of the family.
That's correct.
And you not so much.
Not so much. So I'll be back later with the rest of the family to eat.
Gotcha.
It's all ready.
Okay, we'll see you then.
See you guys later.
Okay, so Annette, what are we making for dinner tonight?
So tonight we are gonna make a turkey and vegetable stir fry.
Tell me about the ingredients going into this stir fry.
With the marinade, we will use cornstarch, a little bit of sugar, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce.
So now we're gonna kind of stir this up. You don't want any clumps. This marinade is done.
You're gonna help with deboning and removing the skin of the turkey. A stir fry is just a quick and simple, like, Chinese technique. It lets you use a variety of ingredients.
And in terms of slices, you want nice, thin slices.
Thin slices so that when you stir fry it, it can cook faster.
So tell me, how long do we let this marinate for?
I usually let it marinate for about 20 minutes or so, just enough time to cut the vegetables.
Okay, so our turkey is marinating. Now, Annette, walk me through what we're gonna do with the veg.
We're gonna use asparagus, red peppers, onions, and garlic. We are gonna cut the vegetables into similar sizes. This dish is pretty versatile. You can add any other vegetables that you or your family likes.
You preheated the wok.
All you have to do is just add some oil into the wok. Let's start adding the garlic.
Okay, so we go in first with the garlic.
And then we'll add some onions.
Then the onions. One pepper went in, it's all good.
It's all fine.
It's all fine.
So I think we can start adding the turkey.
Wow, so it really is fast.
All in.
The sugar in this marinade will really give it good color as well.
We can add some cooking wine. When the turkey is like half done, we can add the asparagus.
The cornstarch in the marinade is giving it a nice consistency.
So the cornstarch acts as an agent to thicken the sauce. Without it, it would be pretty runny.
It smells really great.
We can add the peppers in. I like the peppers with a more crunchy texture. So now we're gonna add the hoisin sauce, just to add some flavor. Cashews go in at the very end.
Here go the cashews. So this gets all tossed up.
And then we are done.
I can't wait to try it.
Let's get it plated up and let's get dinner started.
Great.
We have the turkey stir fry.
Looks amazing. The food looks incredible.
Here we have my dad, Albert, and then we have my mom, Agnes, my younger son, Isaac, my older son, Nathan, my husband, William, and you know my sister, Andrea. And that.
Let's start eating. Let's give it a taste. Mmm, the sauce is amazing. The hoisin is incredible. And like we said, the cornstarch in the marinade allows it to stick to the rice. It's really delicious. Hey, Annette, thanks again for having me. Everything was delicious, and I got a new recipe here to use at home, so thank you again.
It was my pleasure.